This is how most people turn Excel data into presentations. You start with raw data, then build charts, then copy them into PowerPoint, resize them, fix alignment, adjust formatting. Then you go back to Excel, update something, copy again, and repeat the whole process. It takes time, breaks your flow, and still doesn't look the way you want. Or you can do this. Upload the data and give it one instruction. Dapto takes that data and turns it into a complete, structured presentation. It starts with a clear overview of the dataset, covering multiple competitors, pricing tiers, and key context. Then it highlights the top performers based on review scores, making it easy to see who leads the market. Next, it compares pricing and value across plans using clean, easy-to-understand visuals. It also breaks down the best options for different segments, whether you're a startup, an SMB, or an enterprise. And finally, it surfaces key insights automatically, including pricing patterns, performance gaps, and strategic opportunities. From raw data to a complete presentation in one run. No copy-paste, no manual slides, no hours of work. Stop building presentations manually